Rocky, Rocky. What are you doing, man? What you doing, Rock? What are you doing, buddy? You sitting there? Huh? This is the Diaries of Rocky. Episode 1. Dun dun dun. And we'll be making these videos every no. Well, just pretty much every week. Not a specific day. I'm Rocky. Oh, today I ate some food. And do you want to see inside my mouth? Well, no. Rocky, come back. Come back. Hello. 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 Hello, Rocky. Rocky's here. He's not. He's never coming back. Dun 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 dun. Well, that's it for Rocky. Bye. 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 Say goodbye, Rocky. Kisses. Oh, very nice teeth.